Chicken.
Okay. Speaking of chickens.
Speaking of chickens. You guys
I don't
wanna
even know if the chickens realize they're painting. I'm gonna be honest.
Oh.
They're just like zoom, 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 and then there's prints on a canvas.
Hi, chickens.
Hey, cuties. Hi, friends. I just need to grab a piece of astroturf real quick. I know. Not
Guys,
yet.
the chickens move very fast. Nobody panic.
I need this. Sometimes when the chickens paint, we end up with all sorts of substances in the paint.
Yeah,
It just happens.
that's
Just how
fine.
it works.
Chat, there will be dirt in the super collab painting because that's how the chickens roll.
Cuties. All right, chat. Chicken colors, thoughts.
Chicken colors.
I did bring other shades of blue. I did bring the green and I did bring yellow. We can try, or we can save those for the parrots. What do we think?
green, they said.
We can try green.
Hello, Henrique. Would you like to say hello to chat?
All right, green.
Chat.
I'm going to put another color on here only because I want to make sure we get, I picked purple. Green and purple for the chickens. All right. We have mealworms. We have a hexagon.
They don't care about you guys, I'm afraid.
Okay.
Ooh.
I'm
Oliver, are you ready?
prepared for the madness.
Let the madness begin.
Nugget already has poop on her feet. Are you ready?
Perfect.
Can you come over? That's so nice. Good job. How about this way? Good job.
Wow.
Amazing.
Chicken prince.
Good job. Beautiful.
Ooh, that's nice.
Very nice. Does anybody want to come around? Oliver, maybe? What do you think? Good job. Okay, sir. Truly. Nugget's like, I'll go again. Sure. So nice. Good job. Come up, Oliver. You can do it. He's like, no. This is just going to be Nugget. Nugget is the most... Do you want to come over? Good job.
She's a professional.
Nugget doesn't care about anything. She's like, yeah, sure. Sure, sure, sure. Come here, Oliver. You got it.
Good job, Oliver.
You can do it.
Why is it cold?
You ready? You come around, up to the painting. Amazing. You can come on over. Okay, okay. Good job. Good job, Nugget. That's beautiful.
Wow.
So nice.
Wow.
Good job. Good job.
Wow.
Good job, Oliver.
He's doing it.
Do it. Okay, Nugget. You're so much. Chat, Nugget is the most eager chicken. They have paint on them. You're fine. Good job, bud. Okay, sure. One more. Go. Good job.
Amazing.
It's beautiful, Nugget. Entirely Nugget today. That's fine. How do we feel about it?
Wow.
It's got some mulch on it.
A little mulch.
But maybe a little poop.
That's fine.
It's fine. It's authentic.
Chat, what do you think?
It just might be green and red together, looking a little brown. Do we think we have
Good
enough
job, Nugget.
chicken feet, Nugget feet?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
She's still going.
Would you like some mealworms? Ready? Go for it and flourish.
Hooray!
There's so many in the bowl. I just threw a bunch.
I gave them mealworm ice cubes the other day. They were into it. It was fun.
All right.
Come and thank you for the 5.
Chickens.
The authenticity.
Everybody is represented so far that we've visited,
Amazing.
which is crazy. Like
Yeah,
everyone
that
that
is
we
crazy.
were hoping to paint has painted. No pressure, Tico, Miley.
Let's go see if the parrots are interested.
I think Mia and Siren will be. The hexagon might be a little much for them,
up top again.
but I don't think the macaws will. I would be shocked if they did, but Abbott did. So,
True.
you know.
Hello,
Holly did.
Siren.
Siren, how do you feel about this hexagon-shaped canvas? It's beautiful. It's waiting for your signature. Hello.
Hello, birdie.
Oh no, there's a little bird in here. All right, well that rules out the macaws. For sure.
Mia.
Wow. Birthday.
Happy birthday, Siren.
All right.
Hi, what doing? Chat, this is a rolled up frozen pizza box.
Waiting for you. I'm giving you a color
Parrots
that we
are
don't have
incredible.
yet. Would you like to paint? Yeah. You're very nice. That's very nice. All right, are you ready? Do you think you can do it? Let's step up. Right. That's a good job. How do you feel about this canvas? Can I put you over here, far away from the canvas? Go check it out. What do you think? Ready to go down? Wow, that's brave. It's very brave. I was gonna give you a little time to adjust, but surely, by all means. Are you ready to paint? That's good. That's very nice. Yeah. Hi. Keep paint. That's the wrong way, but nice try. Good effort. Are you ready? Do you want me to hold it over here? Waiting for you. Can you come paint? Close. It is a little taller than your usual canvas. That is true. It is true. This might be easier. Hey, Siren. Hi, can you come over here? That's good. Good job. You ready? Can you paint? Good job.
Wow.
That's beautiful. This is very nice. Can you paint? That was correct, but also good. Oh, that's a big piece. There you go. Good job. Beautiful.
We have an artist on the move.
How are you doing? Keep paint. Good. Very nice.
She wants
beautiful.
in.
Mia, are you ready? Can we get one more? Yes. Good job. That's beautiful. All right, chat. Got a couple siren.
Wow,
Sponges.
Siren.
It's beautiful.
So nice.
What are you doing? You coming? You can do it. You guys step up. The walnut's not going anywhere. You just have to step. Mia,
Mia,
please.
please.
No. No?
What do you think, Mia?
Mia,
It's
what
a
color
super
do you
collab.
want? What color do you want? Do you want to pick your color? What do you think? We gave Siren blue. What are we missing on here? We could do maybe, we could try some yellow.
Yeah.
You want to try yellow? Is yellow okay, Mia?
She's a connoisseur.
Sorry, I did
She's
not mean to speak.
admiring.
Do you like it? Do you think you could make it better? Hey, Mia.
Huh? What's
Good.
Birdie?
Good job. That's very nice. You did it.
Birdie.
You did it. Did you hear that Mia has that pretty much? She's doing better.
What?
Mia. Are you distracted now? Are you ready? Good. There it was. A little delayed, but better late than
That was
never.
me. Wait, did she do it too?
Oh. She has been doing it on like if you whistle,
Yeah.
she's been doing it, which is nice. It's nice. Whoa. Yeah. The longer that she's off the perch, the more hormonal she gets.
Mia.
And then it's a disaster. Oh, the macaws were out for a second, and then they've abandoned us.
Mia.
They said no more. Miss Mia, are you ready? I don't want to scare you. Miss Mia. Hi. Are you ready? That's very nice, thank you. Good job. Okay. Are you ready? You want to check it out? Look at that. Wow. This whole thing needs to be replaced.
Yeah.
Good job. Are you ready? You have a very big canvas to work with here. Good job. I don't know. I didn't usually paint with Mia either. I painted with Siren and Miley the most. Can you paint?
Well.
Okay, yeah, sure. She might do better off the side. Similar to... Can you paint? There we go.
Wow.
Good. Good job.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. A little bit of yellow. Can you paint? Okay, well, that was kind of cheating. Good. Good job. I want more yellow. More yellow, ma'am. You've got yellow on your beak. We're gonna have to clean that up. Please paint. Okay. That was aggressive. I'm gonna clean your beak a little bit. Thank you. You're good. Very nice. Thank you. She says, I got feelings. I got feelings about painting. Okay, well, that was not quite it. Can you paint? Okay. Good job. Mia's a very enthusiastic painter. Good.
Good job.
Should we try another color, Mia? Since our yellow is a little bit... What do you think? Do you like it? How do you feel about it?
You want to put a hole in it
You want to put a hole in it?
for authenticity?
What color seems to be missing? What are we lacking?
There's not a lot of green and orange on here.
Not a lot of green?
Yeah, you could do green. Ooh,
We've mixed a couple colors, ma'am.
exciting.
We've mixed a couple colors. Are you ready?
She's ready.
Don't. Okay, well, that would have been so pretty, Mia.
Yeah, that was really pretty.
Are you ready? Can you paint? That was close. Good.
Good catch.
Oh yeah, we caught it. Good. That's beautiful. Good. Good job. We'll take it. All right, we're gonna shoot for over here. No pressure. No pressure on either of us, Mia. Can you paint? Okay, not quite. Good.
Okay.
We'll take it. All right, chat. How do we feel?
It's beautiful.
It's a lot.
Good job, Mia.
Very
Good
nice.
job, Siren. Yeah, you did a good job.
Can I see your beak? Okay, good job.
Wow.
I don't know about. They were out, which was shocking. Wow. Goodness. Yeah.
Whistling.
Mia. Distracted. But this was a pretty solid. I
it's
mean,
beautiful.
Everybody that we intended to paint painted.
This is incredible. Look at this, guys. Round of applause for Kayla. Oh my God. We have Appa. We have Momo. We have Polly. We have Finn. We have Nugget. We have Mia.
Do you want to see?
Siren. And Abbott.
Where? It's beautiful.
Amazing. Amazing. People clap. The super collab painting. Yeah.